The way this summer has been summering with this heat and high temperatures lately, I thought I would look into some more summer forward fragrances to add to my collection. Hey everybody, it's your girl Z and I'm back with another video. So as I mentioned, it's been a really hot summer for the most part, and you know, when it's hot, but I live in Florida, it's always hot. But sometimes you want a scent that is like heat friendly per se, but when it's hot year round, what does that even mean for us Floridians? I saw a scent going around that was pretty interesting to me, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. And so in today's video, I wanted to introduce you all to Camarat. This is Camarat. I think that's how you say it, but this is by the brand Memo Paris. So this one was advertised as like a very summer hot weather vacation type of scent, and I just was like really intrigued. I really like the packaging, and I really like the art that's on the outside of the packaging. And then also let me go ahead and open it up here. It's on the inside of the bottle as well. So with Camarat, it comes in this really cute little box. And as I mentioned, I absolutely love this bottle. Now, from what I understand, this bottle design is actually a limited edition because I remember when I first kind of was exploring this scent, the bottle that I was testing out had a different picture on the front. So I was kind of confused, but I guess this one is the limited edition bottle design by an artist called Olympia Zagnoli. So I really thought this bottle design was more suitable for me as a Florida girl. But the other design, I think it has like a brown and gold type of label, and then there's like a lighthouse on it. So if you see two different bottle designs for that, just know that I got the limited edition bottle because I wanted this artwork on the front of my bottle. So Cap Camarat, from what I understand, Cap Camarat is a place that this scent was profiled after. So it's supposed to channel very specific happy memories of vacation, being on a holiday, or just being, you know, out of the everyday rigmarole. This one was supposed to give you happy to be on vacation vibes. That's kind of what I took from it, looking at the presentation and the commercials and the advertisements for this on the website. This one is supposed to be like a summer vacation or just a beachfront resort type of scent. So I thought this would be interesting to have. So this is my first Memo Paris fragrance. I am interested in getting a decant of a few more of the Memo Paris scents, since it is geared around being on a resort vacation, island vacation. I'm not really good with geography, but wherever Cap Camarat is located. But living in Florida and with the description saying this is supposed to channel vacation vibes, I thought this would be a good one to go ahead and add. I guess from what I understand about the brand, their scents are supposed to take you on like a journey through the opening, the mid, and the dry down of their scents. This one is leaning fresh and light. That opening is very light and airy. I can definitely see why this is channeling a vacation type of energy. It's supposed to be a vanilla with a twist from what I understand, but it's coming off a little bit fruity, airy, and as it dries down, I'm starting to pick up on some of the other spices in here, but it's not spicy. There is a punch though, and then there's like a brightness about this scent. But this one is very fresh. It's not vanilla heavy. I want to have a good mix of scents. I like vanilla. That's my favorite note. But I do want to have a good mix of scents in my collection, especially living in a naturally hot place, scents that are appropriate year round and especially in the summertime. So let's look at the notes for Cap Camarat. So this one is an Oriental vanilla. And at the top of this one, you're gonna have some pink pepper, watery fruits, fruity apple, ylang ylang in the mid, and jasmine extract. Whenever I see ylang ylang in something, it gives you that brightness to a scent, like a happy uplift. So yeah, that's really good. Now the base for this one is gonna have sandalwood, benzoin resinoid, amyris, patchouli, and labdanum. Now the patchouli isn't too overpowering, but it does get a little bit more woody as it dries down. This is not a gourmand scent, but I do like gourmands. This one, in to my nose, would be more of like a fresh scent that I could totally wear this if I'm going to go, you know, to a brunch that's outside on like a patio, or if I'm going to go poolside or to the beach. This scent would work for those types of scenes. And I see why this one is giving like a vacay. It does seem to have a good sillage too. Like the aroma is giving off. Now, I haven't gotten many wears around others yet, but I'm interested to see if this is a complemented type fragrance. But so far, so good. You can easily mix this with things. I would totally put down a vanilla base, like with my oil and my lotion, to really highlight some of that sweetness that's coming through. But this one is really nice. I'm happy I added this one to my collection. I immediately think about mixing this with my Summer Fridays Sunlit Vanilla. Yeah, I think this one would go with that Summer Friday Sunlit Vanilla because it has vanilla and coconut. I think that mixed with this freshness and the different notes that are in Cap Camarat would create such an awesome scent profile. I don't know why I just immediately think about merging those together. But as I remember when I was testing this out, I remember having on a vanilla base that day. So I think I learned to like the smell with a vanilla base. But on its own, it is very fresh. So I do recommend testing this out, such as I did before you buy this. But this is a really nice scent. I just love this bottle. It's so nice. This artwork is cute. I like this artwork over the other one that I mentioned. So I think for my vanity, I'm excited to have this one. But again, that was Cap Camarat. So if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and leave me a like. If you have this fragrance, leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts as you've been wearing the fragrance. Now, if you have other Memo Paris scents, also let me know down in the comments which one you like the most or which one you think I should add. I do want to get some more samples from the brand just to see, because they have a large selection from what I can see online as I've been doing my research about them. But I do want to get some more samples and get more familiar with the brand. But I am happy that I was able to pick this one up and add it to my collection. I want to thank you all again for watching today's video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a future upload. And feel free to share this video. I appreciate your support and I appreciate your time today. I'll see you in the next one.